Sir, freedom of speech is the basis of our democracy, and no one will tolerate any curb on this freedom from any corner, full stop. But here, what is to be seen is that who has tried to curb the freedom of speech question mark. Are they those people who are misusing the freedom of speech, or those who may try to keep a reasonable check on those who are misusing this freedom question mark? Sir, every one of us knows that it is the duty of the government to protect the dignity of the individual, full stop. If the dignity of an individual is lowered in any way, and we find that the law enacted in this regard is not adequate or powerful to safeguard the dignity of the individual, and is not so framed as it was required to be done, it is the duty of the government to bring a new law, full stop. I think that this bill will safeguard the dignity of the individual as well as the social dignity, full stop. We can realize that the government of any civilized country will safeguard the right of freedom of speech, full stop, close.